Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we have a very bullish update for Fartcoin, and why this may be the best time to buy this meme coin. Earlier this year, Fartcoin was absolutely dominating the meme coin sector. We've even seen a price peak at nearly $2 at one point. Then we've seen an absolute low of about 26 cents. Now that we've hit this 58-cent zone, I know we've hit a critical bottom. It looks like a reversal could be imminent. But before we continue this Fartcoin update, I do want to ask for you guys to hit the subscribe button down below and check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is an anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. The best crypto and Bitcoin wallet. Buy and swap Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. It has a clean UI. I actually use one myself, recommended by some top sources in the crypto and new space. We see from Forbes, buy and sell crypto effortlessly, more secure in multiple wallets. And then we from New York Post, the safest and most innovative way to hodl, swap, and manage your crypto. Again, check this one out. I'll leave it in the description box below for a convenience. Now, Fartcoin has been taking over the news as of late, as we're expecting Fartcoin to see all-time highs in October. If this prediction is true, we're looking at easy 3x from here. Fartcoin update: we see strong stone trend in place. We see M15 H1 view very neutral, clean range phase, and we're seeing weekly view remain strong, bullish or bearish with low key supports. I see around 55 cents. I place all my levels in the second chart. Without a range or trend break, price I might continue to dump. Remember, it's always safer to follow the main trend. Often try to counter trades, but most of the time trades result in losses. But once the bulls bounce back in, our job is to focus on reverse setups and bull consolidation patterns. Now, again, in terms of daily trading, I guess 55 cent would be very bearish. However, in our current setup, buying in at 58 cents is a perfect time to buy in, especially when we believe the long-term future and you're planning on buying and holding, which a lot of us may be in that similar boat, like I am myself. But again, it's very important to look at technicals like this. Now, in terms of market, how are we seeing turnaround? If you watched the live stream yesterday where I said, should you buy the dip with a crypto crash? I was saying buy the dip because exactly what I said happened to play out. Market cap went from 3.75 trillion to 3.79 trillion. So we're looking at 0.04 trillion gained in the past 15 hours. It was on live maybe 12 hours ago. We're seeing fear and greed index went from lower in fear, still in fear, to 32, but again slowly creeping back towards neutral. And the RSI was at oversold, I believe it was at 37 yesterday. Now it's sitting close to 45. So we're starting to see a lot more buying pressure. Even notably, Ethereum was below 4 grand yesterday. Now it's above 4 grand. So again, we are seeing pumping across the board in the market. And again, hopefully you took advantage and bought some of the dip in the past 48 hours. Now, price action for Fartcoin on the day up about 6%, on the week down 30%, on the month down 30%. Phenomenal time to be buying the dip, guys. Literally look at it this way: more or less 2 weeks ago, it was trading at nearly $1. It's down over like nearly 40%. It's a phenomenal time to buy in, especially when we believe it's going to return back to $2. This could be pretty safe gains locked in with a minimal risk factor. Talking about minimal and safe risk, I want to talk about a crypto pre-sale project that's looking very bullish. On this channel, I've been very bullish for pre-sale projects. It allows you to buy it early, get early buying incentives, and then take advantage when the project goes live. And this project looks very bullish because they're bringing L2 solutions to Bitcoin. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. They raised $18.4 million in the pre-sale, on average raising $200,000 a day. A lot of wheels attention. And again, this one has a unique utility as to bring L2 to Bitcoin to have Bitcoin more accessible and easier to build on, which makes it very bullish. Again, when I say risk-free or lower risk investment, what I mean is you can be able to buy in right now. For example, in 1 day, 19 hours, they're set to increase the price. You're buying at the lowest price. By the time the project goes live, they're already going to have the price increase X amount of times. So you're already in some gains. Plus, you take advantage of staking, so 64% returns. It makes it like a lower risk investment, but obviously do your own research and due diligence. I'll link this one in the description box below. But back to Fartcoin. Fartcoin definitely taking over. We're seeing something big could be coming for Fartcoin. We're seeing memes are dead. Look at how bad they've crashed. They're never coming back again. Yeah, they said that every meme coin drawback since the release of Doge. And what happened? Fartcoin is a prime example of a top sold meme coin that's going to make groundbreaking comeback. Smart money whales know, and they have bought at all these prices all month. It's only broke retail that is scared shitless selling their bags for cheap. Just buy and hold. Once god awful month ends, Fartcoin will leg up to $6 will begin. So again, a lot of bullish activity in the market. Seems to be a very concisive sentiment that people are remaining bullish for Fartcoin. Again, from Gemini, we heard hot air rises. Fartcoin is now live tradable on Gemini on September 9th. A lot of belief in the market. Top stock target. You're not going to fade this one. But again, guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.